My name is Makara Murare. Makara is one of the warrior on the island in the olden days. And in one of the story, Makara is one of the warrior that been reached New Zealand on a waka in those days. And you can see in Kātoa, there was a priest there named by Makara priest. That is my name. This is a warrior from my island. It's named after me, one of the warrior on Mitiaro. And I also a council member for 4 years term on the island. And also a deacon in the Cook Island Christian Church for 13 years. And married for 20 years with 4 children, 3 boys and 1 daughter. So for me, working with this on the island, even not only for the dictionary, and also I compose songs and all different kind of culture. In my young age, I started compose songs. When my father was still alive, I wouldn't bother anything when he talks about the kōrero, the language, because those days I don't know how rich the kōrero for the island people, for the island of Mitiaro. So now with this project of the dictionary, it's bringing up something in my heart, remember my father and my forefathers and all of them, all my tupunas. It reminds me how important the kōrero with them is. We had this letter from the former island secretary of the island, because he's the person working for the island council. Every message from outside the island will go through to him, and he will discuss to the council. Like this one that came from the USB from Rod, he didn't pass on to the council to discuss who's coming to Rarotonga to be the kōrero for this dictionary project. So he asked me to come in, and I don't have any idea what's to do with this project until the day we had introduced with our meeting that morning. That's when I realized what we're going to do. When we first started with John, it's really hard. I'll say it's really hard for me to work on, because we started on Mangai dictionary to look into those words and also look into the Rarotonga dictionary and look all the words. And then we had a talk. I had a talk with my writer, John. We decide we come up with something. I come up with something like, some of the words it's just used by Mitiaro itself. Even though Mitiaro, Atu and Mauke, they speak the same language, the kōrero the same, but it's just some of the words, it's just only Mitiaro. It's unique to Mitiaro itself, because it's only Mitiaro using it. And some of these 2 islands, they got different meaning of the same word, but different meanings. So Mitiaro is one. We use Mitiaro as one. Yeah. One word that I can pick up is the tutu. Yeah, tutu. In our explanation is the face of the scoop for the maruru, for the fishing, for the flying fish. Yeah, it's made of a wood. It's like a face. So when you scoop it, it's gonna go in. The other two islands, they call the tutu is a film of a photo. So that's the difference. Tutu the same, but it's different meaning. Yeah. Now on Mitiaro, families, it's all mixed. Like Mitiaro married to Moki, and Mitiaro married to Atu and to Rarotonga. And you can see in the kōrero is already mixed because the children gonna speak both kōrero because of their parents. That's for sure. Their parents will teach the same, both kōrero to their kids. And what I can see now, if we, the people of Mitiaro, can put up Mitiaro's words together and also Hatu and Moki's words together. So our kids, our young people will know that's from my father's side, that's from my mother's side. That's the benefit I can see of this dictionary. Not only that, because some of our people now, like the teenagers, they don't even know some of our words because they never been taught. Because I can remember the old days in our school days, the Ministry of Education introduced the English to school. So the students will speak English all the time. So that we left our own kōrero to do it in school. Now it's come back, they come back and introduce again our language in school. So that's the benefit I can see. Like to encourage myself, not only myself, even the people of Mitiaro. The elderly people, they know more than me to come on board, to work together, for us to work together and keep this dictionary project alive to keep us going. We're lucky, I'll say. My people, we're lucky. And we don't have any experiences on this project. And what we get our words back. Our words is alive now. It's back again. Te rauka nei aku I te akamaru I tōku iti tangata. Te iti tangata nukuroa. E iwi no tōku nei iwi. E kiko no tōku nei kiko. Akamaru I e tātou. Te kaora I tā tātou kōrero. Te kaora I tō tātou reo. I roto I te au tātou ere I maina, kua una tō tātou au mitua I te kōrero. Kua una te taipai o tātou te kōrero. E kua ngaro kāre tā tātou au tamariki I kite. I te rā te noo nei ki te taingai kare ākara I ana te matatangata. Te riro nei, nā te manu e karo I te rira. Nori tāko patianga I roto I te tuatau. Tā au tā reni te orongo I e te atua ki roto I a koe. Kia tuku ki runga, i te kai ngā kai. Kia ora ia ki te kātuto. Kia ki te tātātou anō, e te uki a pōpōake, e tō a pōpōake. Kia ki te nātui tātātou kōrero. Kari te mea, nenewa ua tātātou kōrero. O te tae au mea pōpinga te ia, i roto i tō tātou ora. Kia rau kai tātātou anō i te akakite. No ea mai au, no ea mai au, no ea mai au. No reira, tāko te e kāka marurui. Marurui ki tātou e te iti tangata Mitiaro. Tūki runga i tō tātou wāwhi. Hoi akamata inga e te ia akakoro anga no tātou. Te wairata aureo i roto i tō kōpu. Tukuna mai ki wao. Kia kite te iti tangata kātou toa. I tā tātou, i tō tātou reo. No reira, e reo aka marurui te ia. Anga kāpiti tātou, ki te ngā i okotai. E pōpi ngāi tō tātou akakoro anga.